Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Autel Gendome. This is a portable power bank that comes with a mini solar panel here. And this solar panel has a couple perks and features that I have not seen on other similar products. So I'm excited to test this one out. Very nice logoing and branding here. So let's go ahead and unbox this and do some testing. I will have links down below. So let's start by unboxing this power bank kit from Autel. Very nice packaging here. It's actually kind of crazy looking. Looks like we pull up from right here. And we have our main power bank right here, the Autel Gendome, with a little bit of wrapping around it. Okay. Very nice looking here. Let's see what we have built in terms of cable. We've got a USB-C right there, and it looks like it does actually unplug. So if you wanted to, you could embed a different cable in here. That's kind of cool. And it looks like that's it. So on the bottom here, we have a USB-A and a USB-C. And right here, we have a power button that's going to show how much charge we have. So pretty simple and cool looking right here. Let's keep going through. Here is another cable. This is another USB-C to USB-C. You could potentially plug this into the bottom right here to have some extra charging capability. Let's continue on. It looks like this is our solar panel set right here. Autel Gendome has a nice little magnetic clasp right here. And then here, flips out 4 times. Let me zoom this out for you. So we do also have a USB-A to USB-C converter in here, and then our manual. And then that appears to be everything that's in the case. So get this out of the way. Let's take a look at our solar panel here. Very cool design on this. Kind of matches my review setup here. Got a very nice pattern on there, the Autel Gendome. And then right here is your actual solar panel. So you can lay this out and it's going to accept solar from the sun here. And then you've got a gasket that is a USB-C port. So this is where you would plug this into here. And then this is now charging the power bank, assuming it's outside. So let's go ahead and move it outside and start charging it with the solar panel. And then we'll try to charge a device with it as well. Okay, so I've got the panel out in the backyard now. And there's a couple cool things about it. So when it starts to charge, you get a nice little red indicator here. And then when it stops charging, you get a green. And then you can kind of see on here, this is actually charging right now. So the solar panel to USB-C connection does work just fine. And it's pretty cool to see this because normally solar panels don't go directly to USB-C, but that is a pretty simplified way to do it. And then you can charge basically a ton of different devices directly from the panel because a lot of devices take USB-C now. One thing I would like to see here is we don't have any sort of kickstand on this panel right here. So you kind of just have to lay it in the grass or wherever you're at. But that is still a pretty nice little foldable panel. I just would have liked to see a kickstand on it. So let's see, can we charge a phone while this is charging? Does it support pass-through charging? Let's try that next. Okay, now I've got a USB-A plugged into the Autel Gendome. And I have that plugged into my phone right here. And you can see, boom, it is charging. So it does support pass-through charging where we're charging the power bank through solar while we're also charging a phone. Now, one thing I want to test is, I mentioned this is red when it's charging. Let's flip this over, and is this going to, there you go, immediately goes green. So when it's red, you know it's accepting solar, which is nice to see. I would maybe have liked to see that reversed, but still good to have those indicators. Next thing I want to do here is I want to see if I can plug my phone directly into this solar panel and see how that works. So, okay, and this is why that USB-C solar panel is so cool. So right here, I'm charging my phone directly from the solar panel from Autel here. We're not even using the power bank, and it works perfectly. So that's very, very cool. The tech is there with this little converter. And this power bank also being such a large size is going to be super nice to take camping or anywhere like that where you're going to need power for a long period of time, but also have the ability to recharge your power supply or your power bank during that period while you're camping and stuff. So check it out from Autel, guys. I will have links down below. Definitely a pretty cool little product here.